Good morning on TikTok. Thank you for the likes already. Thank you very much. Appreciating the likes. Thank you. Thank you. That helps boost the stream. Keep it up. Keep it up. I think it helps boost the stream. It seems to. Right, and we're live on YouTube as well. Okay, great. And it doesn't seem like everybody's in here this morning, but good morning, everybody in the Zoom. I guess not everybody's subscribes to the early bird philosophy. All right, we're pulling up stocks now. Getting ready for the morning session here. Yeah, probably. Let's see. So, what we've got on radar right off the bat this morning already is CRVS. I'll label these up. CRVS, and it's happening. Make sure you're taking profits every, what is it down there between 3 and 5? 10 cents, I think. Every 10-cent level, you should be taking profits. And we're watching IPHA, PHIO, LPTX, and IC from the other day. And then we're going to check out for some more. We also have follow-throughs on third-day follow-throughs on IPOs on Bros, DH, and TWKS. They seem to be doing all right. And they might have another good day today. And if they don't, then we won't take the trigger. Oh, and let me label up Apple, Tesla, and Amazon. Can you guys hear me okay? Okay, let's take a look at the radar here. Somebody just said life. Let's take a quick look at that. Nope. All right. IFA surf slightly up 14 on 122,000 volume. Might be just enough. I'm going to put it down at the bottom here for low volume. Now coming around to the high volumes, we have IFA, yep, CRVS, and there's surf, ABCL. How about ASTS? I'll pull it up. We'll take a quick look. I don't think it's active, though, this morning. We're looking for active, hyperactive stocks. I mean, do you like GME or not? Looking for those. ABCL. Yeah, ABCL's popped quite a bit. ASTS. It was at 11.6 yesterday. Had a nice run yesterday. Hit 12.48. Maybe ASTS. Needs to really break 13. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'll keep it in the corner. What do you mean 5 by 5? What are you talking about, Ton? All right, refreshing the market chameleon now. Going to take a look at SDC while it's doing that. All right, SDC is all the way up under resistance now. So that's not going to be a worthwhile trade. GDev. Oh, man. GDev way up. Now, why is that not showing? Did that just happen? Oh, there it is. Okay, it just happened, I guess, in the last 20 minutes. So GDev, I'll replace right here. Maybe even OPAD. Okay, OPAD there, LPTX down here, and GDev up here. Wow, GDev closed at 928 yesterday and hit 21 almost, so more than 100%. But it's faded about 80%, so might not happen this morning with GDev, but we're definitely going to keep it up. We'll keep it up while it's hot. That's too much fading typically. CRVS in the meantime is following through. Been a while. How's it going, guys? Going good. Right. Good morning, everybody. On TikTok, make sure you click like on the stream, gamer style. Brrr. Give me a ton of likes. That helps boost the stream if you're liking the stream. And as far as what's the market looking like this morning, we got oil back kind of trending up gently from 71.7 low to $72.2 a barrel. $72.2 a barrel. Still a bit high, but pulled back. We've hit 75 earlier this year, so this is definitely within the realm of reason. And but because it's pushing up, that's good for the market. SPY, Dow, and the Qs, that would affect them positively. However, rates are on a massive increase. I mean, it's not even a grinding uptrend. We have a huge shoot up in rates this morning, 13.3 all the way to 13.7. That's good movement. That's going to hurt the Qs, tech. And that will help financials, XLF sector, XLF. And this whole oil and financials, this oil and rates boost going on this morning a little bit, there seems to be across the board, will help financials, industrials, energy, and base materials the most. That's likely what we'll see, but anything can happen once the bell rings, my friends. Anything can happen. We have the VIX sitting at around 19, and yeah, that's pretty much the outlook going on right now. Bitcoin's at 47,000, hit 48,000. We're skipping around 48,000. Bitcoin needs to break 60,000 in order to be finally out of a bear market. So we're still waiting on that. Oh, oil, actually, just as we were speaking, oil dropped all the way to 71.8, all the way from 72.2. I mean, a really fast drop. So there must be an update on oil, and it's negative. It's negative. And that is, by the way, guys, not good for the market, which was already hanging on the low end of yesterday, pre-market right now. So let's hope that doesn't start tanking the market. Wow, oil moving fast to the downside. Don't know what the news is on that. USO, if you want to short it today, USO would be where you'd go for that. Brandon, crude oil futures in TOS are /CL. /CL. You're going to have to look that stuff up. There's a whole list of futures. Wow, fantastic. You made $600,000 from Apple since 2013. Fantastic. Yeah. Apple's the safest you can go. You know why Apple goes up? Not because it's necessarily good, but because they have one of the most aggressive buyback programs, share buyback programs. They are always buying back shares. So that's decreasing the shares float pool and increasing the market cap, increasing the price artificially on Apple. Very sneaky. Want people to invest in your company? Make their stock price go up. There you go. Make sure you give me a bunch of likes, gamer style. We're up to 3,000. We usually can hit 10,000 here if we work together. Go shares, not options. Yes, long term, absolutely. All right, I'm refreshing the market chameleon. Let's see if there's anything new on the board right here. But with IPHA, we're going to be looking for a breakout of $8.10. $8.10 on IFA, IPHA. CRVS, if it can break 413 again, it has hopes to continue, especially into the open. And if it does, then you'd only need to get in for 20 cents of risk. The last one was 75 cents of risk. GDEV fading out, unfortunately. OPAD, we're going to be looking for it to break 21. Yesterday's high, 21. FIO, not sure it's going to do anything. PHIO. I'll probably replace that one. ABCL also. Surf might go somewhere. LPTX. I'm going to go by market cap now. Let's see what we got. Yeah, low volume's not good. We don't want that. Let's see what we got in market cap. BGNE. What's the news? Positive opinion for the treatment of adults with Waldenstrom's macroglobulinemia. All right, so let's check that out. BGNE. I'm going to put that over here instead of FIO. BGNE. Okay, so it was at 380, and now it hit 443. So it's up 60 points, and it is up 12%. So for the options, there could be an options play for you there. You can afford the options, and if your 1% calculation ends up being there, for example, if it breaks 443, we'd be getting them for about $13 a risk. So if that calculation comes out to more than 50, then you can day trade the options, because a day trade option at the money is 50 delta, acting as 50 shares. An option contracts acts as many shares as its delta. Go write that down. All right, fresh squeezed orange juice out of the way. All right, rapid fire. We're up to 7.3 thousand likes on the stream. Brrr, like this. How long can you do it for? Who can do it the longest? Let's see how fast we can get these going. Can I like my own stream? I don't even know. Let me see. They let me like my own stream. Dude, I could put thousands of likes on there. I'm pretty fast. Here we go. We're killing it. We're killing it. Are these counting? Dude, that's an excellent cheat. We're almost up to 10,000 right now. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. We surpassed it. 10.9 thousand likes, 11,000, 11.2, 11.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, that's enough, guys. Thank you so much. We definitely broke 10,000. All right. So I'm watching CRVS pretty closely. I think this is pretty hot. IPHA. And oil now down to 71.4 at the end of the week. And today is quadruple witching. So lots of contracts expiring today. People will be adjusting their positions and exercising their contracts, pre-exercising their contracts, and then moving into exercising of their contracts. And if they have any legs that they're substituted on their positions with shares, they're going to have to sell those shares in order to, they have to adjust their iron condors and all kinds of stuff. So at the end of the market, the last 20 minutes, they may need to adjust those. And usually, this is the theory. This is my theory, and it seems to hold true. Usually, those adjustments are more radical at the end of the week on these witching weeks. On Friday, at the end of the market, they're more radical when the market is not where it started on Monday. So, the market could go way up and then come back down on Friday. It's quadruple witching, and it kind of doesn't do anything because everything's where people already put it at the beginning of their journey this week. However, when the market gets really off skew, does 5 down days in a row, which is kind of what we're experiencing, you can see some real radical shifts go on when everyone's adjusting their options legs going into the close today. Seems to be no matter how rich you are, you always wait to the last minute. Only 3 witches today. Is it only 3? Oh, okay. Somebody told me it was quadruple witching this morning, and I just took it for gospel. But that's fine. 3 witches. It doesn't really matter because the only witch we're worried about is shares, really, is options contracts on stocks. What did I say about Delta? Delta, the amount of shares that an option will act as is not 100. One contract of an option is 100 shares, yes, by expiration, but how much it will act as is whatever its current delta is. So if the delta, if you buy an option contract for 23 delta, it's like you have 23 shares of that company. And if it goes up $5, it's going to be 5 times 23, $100 of gain. Not $500 a gain, $23, $100 a gain. If you buy an option contract at 75 delta, that's getting closer to feeling like 100 shares per dollar of move in the underlying. So the delta is very important. Delta tells you basically how many shares you're holding of the stock. It's not necessarily 100 because you don't get 100. You don't get 100. The delta is sizing it down. All right, CRVS is looking good this morning. You guys make sure you click the link in my bio to learn more about trading. CRVS looking good. If it can break 413, we'll get in for 20 cents of risk. What does that mean? 20 cents of risk. What does that mean? It means you take 1% of your portfolio. Let's say it's $10,000, and it's $100 is 1%. Then you take $100 and you divide it by the number I just told you, 20 cents, 0.2. So $100 divided by 0.2 equals 500. 500 equals the number of shares you can buy. So depending on that risk number, 20 cents of risk, you got to divide that into your 1% of your portfolio, and that 20 cents of risk, 1% of your portfolio divided by 20 cents of risk equals how many shares you can get. Here's the cool thing. If you could say get 500 shares, now you could divide that by, if you were day trading an option, at the money options are always 50 delta. You could divide 500 shares by 50 delta and realize that you could day trade 10 option contracts. So there's a bit of math. There's a bit of math in stock market trading, but it's not too bad, and you get used to it. But definitely the stock market is not mathematical. It is strategical. Don't forget that. It's psychological and strategic and based on game theory, less on math. That's why Fibonacci's don't work. HLBZ up. All right, let's see. Somebody wants me to take a look at HLBZ. Let's bring it up. Let's bring it up. Oh, yeah. Especially if it breaks 16. HLBZ flying. Yep. 14, about $2 of risk if it breaks 16. HLZB. I'm going to put that in for OPAD. HLBZ. We'll put OPAD over here. And we've got 10 minutes to the market open, guys. Stick around. The market will be opening in just 10 minutes. And that's when it's going to go crazy. OPAD, putting it over here. All right, very good. We're all set up. I'm going to zoom up on this HLBZ a little bit so we can see what we got going on here. So every morning, pre-market, we're on. Every morning, we're on pre-market, preparing for 30 minutes before the opening bell every day, every morning. And then we trade live in our trading group, the morning session. And if it's a hot day, we'll continue to trade all day. If there's a lot of hot things going on in the market, like we did on Wednesday, was outstanding with INDP. And we go after momentum breakouts and momentum stocks. And also during the day, we pull out some swing trades, get into some swing trades. So that's what we do every morning here. You guys on the TikTok, if you want a part of that, just click the link in my bio. And we'll be starting trading in 9 minutes. 9 minutes and 10 seconds. And yeah, just click the link in my bio if you'd like to learn more about trading with us. Nine minutes, 8 minutes to the market open. 8 minutes. We are watching HLBZ break 16. All right, there it is. There's your entry for $2.50 of risk on HLBZ pre-market. If you can do pre-market trading, you're on. HLBZ is on. Who's got a position on HLBZ? RJ, you must have got into that. Or he's on vacation. There he is. There's no way RJ's missing that. His mom said, "Why don't you come visit?" Mom, I'm trading with Evan every morning. There's no exceptions. It's money. You remember that operation you need? It takes money, not love. Okay, so I got to sit here with Evan. We got to make a fortune. We're going to get you that operation. Money makes the world go around. And money does buy happiness, by the way. It just maybe not for people who will never fucking be happy. But if you know how to be happy and you put some money on it, it works. I can tell you, it works. Yes, it does, Trey. Money amplifies who you are. HLBZ is now hitting 17.5. Make sure you're taking profits out underneath every 50-cent level. 17.4, 17.3, 17.4. HLBZ. This is where it's at on HLBZ. Make sure you get out at your stop loss over on CRVS. 7 minutes to the market open. All right, Trey, thanks a bunch. We have 6 minutes and 45 seconds to the open, and there goes HLBZ. Oop. It was popping 17.5, still finding some resistance at 17.5. Absolutely, Jamal. You know, this is why I have, you can't be tab flipping. Yep, absolutely. You know, you got to start thinking about, okay, how much money can I make if I could have caught that opportunity that I missed? And if it's if it's more than $300, yeah, go get a monitor and an HDMI cable and get a second screen going on there. I use 4K 32-inch screens. I've got 4 of them right here. So 4K 32-inch screens right here. I've got 2 more here, and then I've got this TV back there. And I have another one on my floor I haven't hooked up yet. Very, very worth it. Call options. Yes, we do call options. How do I trade pre-market? You have to, in your software, have the ability to do that, and then you set it, your order to a pre-market order. Like in Thinkorswim, you set it to something called extended hours trading. So you guys who got into HLBZ, make sure you move your stop up to break even because you've taken profits already. 5 to 20% of your profits underneath 50-cent levels. That was the last one there was 17.50, and now we're pulling back to 16.70. Yes, I do offer training sessions. Just send me a private message. And also, you guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to learn more about trading. Jamal says I'm broke in my trading account, but I have unlimited cash. What do you mean? What model 4K? Yeah, Todd, I have an exact model for you. It's a Samsung. You know what? Someone in here knows it. Was it RJ? Somebody wrote it down. Sergio. Somebody has it written down. It's like literally on the other side of my desk here, but I'm just not going to look. I'm not going to do it. HFX. What's the best blue chip to buy? Microsoft, Facebook, Google. Those three. And those are even better than Apple. I'm talking, those could be lifelong holds. And I believe that's what you're asking about. Do I know HFX? No, I don't believe I do. I might have pulled that up before. Let's see. No, I don't know what that is. It's not coming up on our systems over here. ON? Oh, no. MICT? No. MICT not going anywhere. Doesn't look good. All right, we have 2 minutes and 50 seconds to the open. We'll be shutting off the TikTok stream in just a second here. Make sure you click the link in my bio to come join us live trading the morning session. TMC, yeah, we had that up yesterday. That's yesterday's news now. Yeah, that's yesterday's news. We're out of that. Today, CRVS, HLBZ, IFA, IPHA, starting to curve up, you guys. Get ready on IFA. We have 2 minutes and 20 seconds to the open. IFA, IPHA. Oil has bounced off of yesterday's low of 71.5. It is currently at 71.65. So there's some support on the market with respect to oil. USO being oil. If it breaks down any further, you want to grab USO shorts. That's for sure. Later. All right. 1 minute, 55 seconds to the market open. What's the risk on IFA is the question. It can depend on how it pivots up to it. But right now, you better go with 75 cents. Yeah, Jackson. Pre-market trading is its own animal. Some people like it. Some people don't. It can definitely be weird. There's no crying over spilt milk in pre-market, that's for sure. And there's spilt milk everywhere. I don't know what the analogy is there. All right, we got 1 minute and 15 seconds until the market opens. This is Thinkorswim is what I'm trading on. IPHA break of 8. Yeah, 810. Give it 810. Let it really happen. If you're going to wait, that long, wait to 810. 75 cents of risk. All right, we got 55 seconds until the market open. Everybody give me one last little gamer like session. We're already at 20,000 likes. Boom. There we go. Yes. All right, we hit 20,000 likes. Very good. Thanks for helping boost the stream. CRVS starting to crap out right before the open. CRVS. Make sure you get ready to cut your losses. Cut your gains at your break even after that breakout. It did not raise the stop. It did not create the right amount of price action to raise the stop. All right, HLBZ, 20 seconds to the open. Here we go. Thanks for all the likes. HLBZ, Hillbillies. What is HLBZ? I gotta look this up. Hellbiz. All right, we're gonna call it Hillbillies. All right, there goes Hillbillies. And the market is opening now. All right, market's open. Hillbillies is on the run. He's hitting 1840, 1850. If you want to get in, you can get in for $1 of risk. Woo! And there goes IPHA. Moving on up. Everybody on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio. We're going to be shutting off this TikTok pre-market stream right now. Come join us in the trading room. Everybody on TikTok, click the link in my bio. Link in my bio. Ooh, look at IPHA. Go. It's come on. It's going to get all the way up to 810. You can do it. HLBZ, Hillbillies, down to 17.5. Watch your stop at 17. 17. Put your stop at 17. Oh, there it goes. Hillbillies hitting 18.94. HLBZ. These hillbillies, I tell you. All right, who took out another 5 to 20% profit there, just under 19? That was very professional of you. RJ, way to go. I'll let your mom know you're doing the right thing in life. Don't worry. RJ, what are you doing? You're trading away all our money. On, breaking pre-market highs. Okay, yeah, but we want to see it break yesterday's high of 40.15. 40.15. There goes Tesla, 760. And Apple's breaking down. All right, so that's because rates are shooting up. Wow, I do not know why, but energy, XLE, went in the opposite direction of oil. It has shot way up. And like I said, tech may suffer today. Boy, tech has shot way down. Not looking good on tech this morning at all.